Oh, it's just one ship? Oh no, it's a couple.
Okay, good. It's a close one.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh.
Alright, we got it.
No, I don't think we got it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me get the fuck up out of here. Did we get that other one?
Yeah, we cleared it. That's good.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh, you might want to leave, Aloe. I already left.
Oh, fuck.
But the good news is, I can throw a 500 right behind you. This looks like a good place for it.
Yeah.
See ya.
I'll get it.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for, is there anything right here? Oh no, that's actually. Alright. Let's go, take a look around Peak Sea. Oh, we can do this really quick, you and I.